Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of NZD USD in front of us right now, and as we can clearly see that it was following a trend line and market was in beautiful uptrend. But right now we can clearly see that market is trading below the trend line. And to understand the chart of NZD USD well, we need to understand the chart of dollar US dollar, because US dollar has a correlation with the New Zealand dollar US dollar, or in general whenever US dollar goes up, currency pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, NZD USD goes down. And when dollar goes down, currency pairs like NZD USD, AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, they go up. So for last couple of days, US dollar was under the dominance of sellers. It was in downtrend. As a result, currency pairs like GBP USD, NZD USD, Euro USD all were in uptrend. But right now you can see that US dollar has reached a support level and it is trying to recover. Okay, yes, it was in downtrend, so market was quite clean, charts were quite clean, they were in uptrend. But right now US dollar has reached a support, and quite an important support, and as a result US dollar is trying to recover from this particular level. You can see that previously when US dollar faced the same selling pressure from above, this was the level that provided support to the market, and as a result market is getting same amount of support again. So if dollar starts going up from here, then definitely NZD USD will be going down. And right now we do not have a clear picture because selling pressure was so high on US dollar that for a trend reversal we need a V pattern, and till now we do not have any V pattern yet. We can just see that market is struggling, market is trying to recover, but we do not have any proper clarification, clear picture whether there will be a trend reversal or whether market will be facing the same selling pressure. We do not have a clear picture right now. You can see that dollar is also having a resistance above, so in case it faces resistance and goes down, then definitely NZD USD New Zealand dollar will be going up a little. But until and unless US dollar is trading in this particular range here, we cannot be too sure what will be the trend of the market. Okay, because this support will not allow the market to go down that easily, and this resistance also will not allow the market to go up that easily. So as long as US dollar is trading in this range, we do not have a clear picture about the next trend of the market. And let's go back to the chart of NZD USD now. So what should be a strategy on New Zealand dollar US dollar? As you can clearly see that NZD USD was very much bullish, so we cannot deny the fact that this is a bullish market, uptrend market. And as we all know, the thumb rule of the market, the basic rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So we cannot deny that NZD USD is an uptrend right now. So considering the trend of the market, the best trading opportunity will be if market regains its support. Listen to me carefully. If market regains its support above this trend line, then you can go for a buy here. But you also need to focus on the chart of US dollar, because the US dollar has got huge impact on the forex market. And if in case there is a sudden buying of the US dollar, if you see big fat green candles on US dollar, then definitely NZD USD will be going down and you can short the market. Generally I do not recommend shorting the market if a market is an uptrend, because I prefer to take trades along with the trend. But if dollar starts going up all of a sudden, then definitely you can short the market. Just keep in mind that market has a support. NZD USD has a support at this particular level. 0.6920. In case you sell also, this will be your take profit target. Right now we do not have any clear picture about the US dollar, therefore we cannot be too sure or too certain about the New Zealand dollar US dollar. So again I'm saying, if market regains its position above this trend line, you can go for a buy. That's it. Okay, and please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's a request. Okay, so that you can protect your capital in case your trade goes against you. So that's it. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I share my analysis and the best trading opportunities with you. Okay, if you are interested, then please visit the pro trader page on my website avilashhazarika.com. That's it. Thank you so much. All of us. Bye bye. Take care.